Okay guys, that's the band at 12:50. How much Anand? Okay, you all set to ride? Where are we riding? We are riding to Yadrigutta Temple, which is almost 80 kilometers. So good set of friends. Let's see what's in store. Woohoo! Yes, what is your name? Murli. Photo no? 200 rupees. Fan moment. Fan moment.
Hi bro. Happy journey.
Thank you. God bless you. Okay, you all set to ride? Where are we riding? We are riding to Yadrigutta Temple, which is almost 80 kilometers. So good set of friends. Let's see what's in store. Woohoo! Okay guys, here we are at Sabha Hotel. This is the Trimalgiri Circle. Pretty busy early morning at 5 a.m. Sorry for the audio, looks a little bad. That's our beauty. All set to race. Okay, welcome to my channel, Falcon Rider Gagan. So how are you guys? I hope आप सब लोग ठीक है. Sorry for the bad hairdo. I guess कभी one of those days when the hair is bad. Okay, where are we? We are at Sabha Hotel. All set to ride. We are riding towards Yadrigutta Temple, which is almost like 80 kilometers. And we are going to do a temple round. Try to get some good shots of the temple if possible, provided there is not much traffic. We are expecting about 3 or 4 friends. Pawan Chotani, obviously my hero, is there with his Z900. And then there is Mr. Nagesh, who is an avid rider. Okay, here we have Mr. Pawan Chotani revving hard on his bike, on his Z900 with his sexy SC project. He's looking good. Patla nahi hua aaj. You're not looking thin. How are you, buddy? Patla nahi dikh raha?
Thank you.
Okay, that's his sexy mean machine. The green goblet. With a sexy SC project and his hazards. Typical Sindhi style. Okay, here we have at the Sabha counter. क्या हाल है? चाय पिलाते हैं? कौन सी चाय पिलाते हैं? ईरानी. आप चाय बनाते हैं? दे दो फिर 2 चाय. तुम भी चाय पी रहे? पक्का? बनाओ भाई 2 चाय. क्या डाल के बना रहे भाई? खूब से में कुछ तो बना ले रहे हैं. क्या है, दूध डाल रहे हैं, डिकॉशन डाल रहे हैं? क्या मस्त मलाई. स्पेशलिस्ट है ना, स्पेशलिस्ट चाय बनाने में. थैंक यू भाई. दिस इज हैदराबादी ईरानी चाय एट सबा होटल. पीते पिलाते.
रिकॉर्ड दबा है. हाँ चल रहा.
रिकॉर्ड दबा हुआ है. अच्छी दबी भी रखी.
ऑनेस्ट रिएक्शन.
हैदराबाद की जो ईरानी चाय है ना भाई, सिर्फ हम लोग पहचान सकते. ईरान वाले भी नहीं पहचान सकते.
सही बोले.
यूएसपी ऑफ हैदराबादी चाय.
सही बोले.
किसी ईरानी को लेकर आई हुई ईरानी चाय, उन्हें बोलता क्या बेकार चाय बना. लेकिन हमारे को मालूम है ईरान की चाय ओरिजिनल हमारे पास है. उन लोगों ने भी नहीं है कि नहीं?
करेक्ट है.
Okay, here we are with Mr. Hitesh, Harley Davidson, lovely pannier boxes. There we have our Hayabusa 2021, Pawan Chotrani's Z900, Nagesh sir's Ninja 1000. How are you, sir?
Fine, good.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you? All good? We are fueled up at HP petrol pump, all set to roll. Okay, fellows, here we are at the Yadrigutta Temple behind me. I hope you can see it. Beautiful views with our bike. The lineup, guys. Yes, this is the lineup. RE, Harley, Ninja 1000, Hayabusa 2021. And obviously the street naked Z900. Woohoo! Here we are at Hotel Vivera, Bhongir, with our bikes. They have a Punjabi restaurant here as well, and an ice cream station by the name Snowdrops. This is the interior view of the Hotel Vivera, famous for South Indian food. Time for some good breakfast. क्या मंगाया बेटा ये? What is this?
Normal bottle.
Okay, पूरी has come. आगे सर का. सर ये तो खाली पूरी अंदर का सामान का है. Wow. Are you happy to see puri?
Very much. I love puri here.
Okay. Please taste and let me know how it is.
This puri is very special.
अब बताइए.
We save the best for the last.
Correct. क्या बोले सर?
We save the best for the last.
What we will eat?
Puri.
And you are, what are you having? Thumbs up. अच्छा, thumbs up. Puri. Our food has come. He is trying to balance it. Wow. What a smart boy. Yes. Single idli vada. With 3 types of chutney. पवन लेते लेते उसके मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. रितेश भाई आपका क्या है?
Vada.
रघु सर.
This is called one idli. This is called one vada.
This is called
One idli and one vada.
correct. Just like me. Pandi? Oh, full of oil. बड़ा क्योंकि तुम्हारा है हर चीज बड़ा. आगे बताओ कैसा है बेटा? हाँ हाँ मजा आया. Okay, our breakfast is done at Vivera. This is the bill for 5 people. खाना अच्छा था?
Very tasty.
अच्छा था?
Very tasty.
अच्छा था? He is our new friend, Mr. Anand. And he is our old friend, not to mention. Shut up, donkey. Here we are at Cafe Coffee Day after our breakfast at Hotel Vivera. Time to have some nice coffee to digest our yummy breakfast. Coming after a long time. Lovely, good memories from this place.
300 kilometers भी ready है.
Lovely feel of this place. Cafe Coffee Day. Mr. Ritesh is acting naughty. हाँ पवन क्या पीना बेटा मेरा हीरो?
Kala jamun.
काला जामुन.
नहीं आना तेरे वीडियो में.
क्या कर रहे हो?
नहीं एक दिन डालेंगे
Dark frappe.
Is it dark?
नहीं dark.
Mine is cappuccino.
light colored dark black.
Fan moment.
One moment.
Fan moment.
Bye, bro. Happy journey. Happy journey.
Thank you. God bless you. You watch my video.